If you're looking for help fixing your Mr. Heater gas patio heater, look no further. Our comprehensive Mr. Heater gas patio heater troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Cover it up. One of the most common issues with a patio heater staying lit is the placement. Keeping it out in the open can expose it to rigorous weather elements and cause long-term damage. If you notice the patio heater getting wet, put it inside of a canopy or sunshade. To protect it from wind, you can place it in front of a wind barrier, such as a tall wall. If the wind is too harsh, you should put it inside of a shed or a garage. Always place it inside when you are not using it. Check for loose gas valve. The gas valve is responsible for controlling the heater's gas pressure. If it becomes loose, it may lead to a gas leak, which affects the patio heater's overall performance. If this happens, you will want to reconnect the gas valve. Use any tool you find comfortable to tighten the loose gas valve. If it is already too tight, then try loosening it a little bit. Clean the pilot. If your patio heater still doesn't work, then there might be an issue with the pilot. Spider webs, carbon, dirt, and oil can build up over time and cause the flame to burn out. To solve this, you must follow these steps. Turn off the gas completely. Soak the sponge in warm detergent water. Gently wipe off the top of the heater with a sponge. Use the microfiber towel to clean off any excess dirt or spider webs. Wait about half an hour until everything fully dries. After that, turn it on and the heater should ignite perfectly. Clean the thermocouple. Another common issue with a patio heater can be the thermocouple. The sole purpose of the thermocouple is to make sure the furnace pilot is always lit. When it senses heat from the pilot light, it sends a signal to the gas valve, allowing it to open. If the thermocouple gets too dirty, it can start to cause problems and interfere with the process. A simple solution is cleaning it. How do you clean a patio heater thermocouple? Just follow these simple steps. Turn off the fuel supply. Locate the protective flame screen and remove it. Locate the thermocouple nut and unscrew it with a screwdriver. Pull out your patio heater thermocouple. Gently rinse the thermocouple with a water hose. Let it air dry for about 30 minutes. Reattach it. Taking care of the thermocouple is an important step in making sure your patio heater functions properly. Cleaning it out regularly should prevent problems in the future. Clean the pilot orifice. When the pilot orifice gets too clogged, it causes the flame to stop burning. As a result, the thermocouple doesn't activate and the burner goes out. Before you think of throwing it out completely, you may consider cleaning it first. This option can save you a lot of money. This may seem like a lot of work, but we have boiled it down to a few short steps. Shut off the gas connection. Use the screwdriver and start removing the burner shield screws. The top covering screws. Set those parts aside after removing them. Locate the control knob and remove it. Just pull it straight off. See if there's a panel behind the pulled out knob. Remove it. You'll see the gas valve assembly. Remove the bottom pilot light cover. As a result, your pilot light assembly bottom will get exposed. Locate the pilot assemble holding the screw and remove it. Gently pull the gas line out of the pilot assembly housing. Remove the hex nut that connects the gas line to the pilot assembly. Now gently pull out the gas line. Reconnect the gas connection, but remember to move it away from the igniter. Replace the control knob temporarily and turn it to the pilot position. Push in the knob. Listen for a hissing sound. If you don't hear anything, there may be a problem with the gas valve. Remove the orifice or the pilot light tube from the mounting bracket. Blast some compressed air through the tube, or use a single strand of wire and run it through the tube. Put everything back together and test the patio heater again.